afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
everyone.
Ma'am.
Okay, children. So last class we were discussing about healthcare in India. Okay, in a democracy, while we select our leaders, okay, we are expecting a better care, okay, from them. Okay, so it is the responsibility of the government to provide necessary medical facilities to each and every citizens of that country. Okay, so in a democratic country, people are choosing their representatives. Okay, and they are expecting that the people expecting. Okay, they expected a better from the
Help from
from
the
the
representatives.
okay, so it is the duty of the government to provide necessary arrangement. Okay, to provide necessary arrangement for the means better life of the citizens in that country. Okay, and while we talk about India, it has the best medical facilities. Okay, it has the largest number of medical colleges and it is producing a large number of doctors every year. Okay, and the number of hospitals, okay, it is being increased, okay, every year, and we are getting many foreigners as means medical tourists. Okay, they are coming here for their treatment. Okay, and also we are producing means, medicines. Okay, and also we are exporting the medicines. Okay, so these are the means we have a well established or well settled medical system. Okay, so in order to means apart from this, okay, the government has to run many um, facilities. Okay, so it's not an easy task for the government, okay, to yes, it's not an easy task for the government. Okay, because okay, so we need okay, appropriate health care facilities. Okay, such as healthcare centers, hospitals, laboratories, ambulance services, and blood banks, etc., that can be provide the required care and services. Okay, so the government, okay, is mainly responsible for the means for improving the health of the citizens of that area of or that country. Okay, so we need okay, some healthcare facilities, that is healthcare centers that can be seen in our area. Okay, hospitals, laboratories to check okay our blood and other results, ambulance services, okay, and blood bank. All these means we need all these facilities for the required care and the service. Okay, and in order to run such facilities, okay, we need health workers, nurses, okay, qualified doctors, and also the medicines and the equipments. Okay, so we need the qualified health workers, nurses, doctors, and also the medicines for our treatment and the equipments. Okay, the devices. Okay, so the government needed to supply all these things. Okay, to take care the health. Okay, and so India has a large number of doctors, clinics, and hospitals that we have discussed. Okay, and mainly we are roughly divided into means various health centers into two types. That is public healthcare system and the private healthcare system. Okay, so what is public healthcare system? This is a system of hospitals and health centers run by the government. Okay, it is a system. The public healthcare system, it means that it is a system of hospitals and health centers. It is a chain of hospitals and health centers that is run by the government.
Government.
Yes, government is the the responsible person. Okay, it is all these health centers and hospitals are working under our government. private healthcare system, it is owned by some citizens, okay, some people, or means
Some
richer
people in
members,
the
yeah,
cities and
members of
they
the
run the
society,
hospitals.
and also by a set of institutions. Okay, it is private people. It's not under the government. Till is it clear to you, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Okay, children. And we are going to study detail about public healthcare system. Okay. Okay, children. The public health service, okay, is a chain of health centers and hospitals run by the
Government.
Government.
the public healthcare system is a chain of hospitals and health centers run by the government. Okay, and they are linked together. Okay, so that they cover both the rural and urban areas. They cover both the rural and urban areas. That means in villages and in cities. And it's providing treatment to all type of diseases. Okay, providing treatment to all kinds of problems from common illness to special service. Okay, so the public healthcare system, it is run by the government. Okay, it is a chain of the health centers and hospitals, and it is linked together. Okay, it's joined together because it's covered both rural and urban areas.
Okay, ma'am.
Then village level, okay, there are health centers. Okay, health centers. All points. This note it down, children. Health centers. The village level, there are health centers where there are usually a nurse and a village worker. Here, a nurse and village health worker. And they were trained in dealing with the common illness and work under the supervision of doctor.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Wait.
I can't hear you.
Mute your audio, Nigel. Just listen to me. Just listen to me, children. Public healthcare system. Agash, can you tell me what you mean by public healthcare system?
It is there in both the rural and the urban area.
Who is on this one? Who is running this public
This is
healthcare?
done by government.
Yeah. Okay. So the real definition of public healthcare system, that it is a chain of health centers and governments. Sorry, health centers and hospitals run by the government. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is the chain of hospitals and health centers run by the government. Okay, and it linked Okay, these hospitals and health centers linked
Rural
both rural and
urban
urban
areas.
areas, both cities and in the villages. Both cities and in the villages. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Children? Okay. And in the rural areas, that means in villages, we can see health centers.
Health centers.
I have asked you, right? See, near your means locality. Okay, sometimes maybe in your ward. Okay, it might be in your ward or panchayat or municipality. We can see a primary health center. Okay, and there would be a nurse and also a village health worker. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
have you seen the health centers near your area and in your means
Yes,
in
ma'am.
your locality? Have you visited their children?
Yes, ma'am.
I saw.
First, while you were babies, okay, they will means health centers are providing vaccines, polios, okay, and
Yes,
also
ma'am. Free vaccine every year.
yeah. Okay, and also some medicines to the pregnant women, old people. Okay, so health centers we can see in the rural areas. Okay, and we can see one nurse and village health worker, and these two people work under the supervision of a doctor. Okay, is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These rural areas, there we
Yes,
could see health centers. Okay, and we can see a nurse and a village health worker, and these two people will work under the supervision of a doctor. Okay, then so such a health center it covers many villages in rural areas. These all points you need to be noted about health centers. Rural areas, we can see a nurse and a health worker. And these were working under the supervision of a doctor. Okay, and a health center covers many villages in rural areas. Yeah. Is it clear? Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. So next, okay, the next level, okay, district level. District level, we can see district hospitals in each district. Okay, we can see district hospitals that also supervises all the health centers. Okay. And we can say specialized hospitals in cities. Specialized hospitals in cities. Okay, so the public healthcare system, it is a series, means it is a chain of hospitals run by the hospitals and health centers run by the government. Okay. And in the village level, okay, we can see the health centers. Okay, and we can see a nurse and a village health worker who is working under the supervision of a doctor. Okay, and it covers means one health center, it covers many villages in the rural areas. Okay, see children, just let me explain it. Okay, then we can see a nurse, one village health worker, okay, and they were working under the supervision of the doctors, of a doctor. And it covers many villages in rural area. It covers many villages in rural area. And the district level, we can see district hospitals. Okay, it also supervises the village health centers. Okay, the district hospital also supervises the village health centers, and in the cities we can see the specialized hospitals. That just now we talk about Aman and Ranjan. You know, Aman, he visited a government hospital. It was very big. You remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Government
Yes, ma'am.
hospital he visited. It was very big, but it was crowded, right? Yeah. Okay. So this all see here, health centers, district hospital, specialized hospital in cities. Okay, so it means that it is a chain. Okay, it is a chain of health centers and hospitals run by the government. Is it clear to you, children? Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, public health care system, it is under the government, it is run by the government. Okay, and the rural areas, we can see the health centers. Okay, primary health centers, and also we can see hospitals in the district level and also in the cities. Okay, so this is a chain of hospitals and health centers run by the government. Okay, then district hospitals, it supervises the health centers. Okay, and specialized hospitals. See, children, have you? Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, children, please note down all these points. Then the health services is called public. Okay, because it is providing health care.
Ma'am, your sound is really low.
Wait. Now I'm okay, children.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Providing health care to all cities. Okay, it is called public. Okay, these services by the government. Okay, the health care run by the government, it is called public. Okay, because why? It is providing health care to all citizens. So it's the government duty to establish such hospitals in and around our area. That means in the cities, in the villages, and in the district. Okay, and the government has to provide all the necessary equipments. Okay, the government has to appoint the doctors, nurse. Okay, then the necessary services like ambulance, lead banks. Okay, so it is the government responsibility to provide necessary arrangement for the efficient health care of the citizens. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And one of the most important aspect of the public healthcare system is that it want to provide quality healthcare facilities Okay, healthcare services, either free or low cost. These all services we are enjoying in public hospital. Okay, is all means it is either it is free. Okay, we do not need to pay any more money for these services, or unless it is low cost, only very less money we need to pay for the services. That is the main attraction of this public healthcare system. See, children, when we discussed
Yes,
about
ma'am. Low cost and free for some people.
Either free, that means only 1 or 2 rupees we need to pay for consultation, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And some expensive test, some expensive tests are there. Okay, for that I think 10% or something. Okay, we need to pay for that. Only low cost. Comparatively, when it compared to the private hospital, it is very low. Okay, the amount is very low. So just we discussed about the cases of that student, right? Amanand Ranjan. He paid 3,500 rupees in a private hospital, but
And the other person
only
only paid 150
see,
rupees.
just let me revise the points. Okay, health. What do you mean by public health center?
Is a chain.
It is.
It is provided by the government.
Provided by the government.
It is a chain of health centers and government hospitals run by the government. Okay, and it is a chain of institution, right? Chain of many hospitals and health centers. And rural areas we can say primary health center. Okay, rural areas, primary health centers. Okay, a nurse and a village health worker is there. Okay, and it is working under the supervision of a doctor. And district level hospitals are there. It also supervises the primary health centers and also specialized hospitals in the cities. Okay, and the means the aim of this public health care, okay, is to provide quality health care. Okay, and also it is providing healthcare facilities to all citizens in that country. Okay, and also it is free. Okay, either free or low cost. Okay, children, I'm winding up the class. Okay, next day we will discuss more about this one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.